Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cocoa local and long-distance movers near me. When we make a move that is over 50 miles, we consider it as a long-distance move. If the move cuts across states, we call that an interstate move, and if it falls within a state, we call it an intrastate move. No matter how long your move is, we can handle the rigors involved. Our rates are affordable, and our movers are responsible and trustworthy. We also have insurance policies in place to protect our clients from any liability incurred during the trip. We can also move you within your locality if that is where you are going. Our charges are also very affordable, as we charge about $30 to $40 per hour. We also ensure to map out the entire area, making us very familiar with the landscape. And this allows us to maneuver the city without any hassle. A hallmark of reliability is the positive feedback from customers, and we have a lot of that in our arsenal. We promise and deliver only the best to our esteemed clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cocoa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.